questions?
No, I'm good. Just gonna do the Portuguese sausage.
I do have questions. So this French toast has cinnamon in it? No. Okay, so I will go for that. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. In it.
In it?
Mm-hmm. I said cinnamon in it.
Oh.
But this is fine. Find it. Today is Jeep ですね。Snorkeling. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So how was the snorkeling? What do you think about the snorkeling?
It was good.
It was good. I love it. Itadakimasu.
Yeah, just one. Just one? Sure. You got
Grilled fish. And then you got a Wagyu burger.
También? Yeah, I speak.
Itadakimasu.
South. Yeah, that's right. After that.
Maybe I can add some sauce. これ何のソース？
Alright.
アイオリだ。アイオリソースをちょっとつける。
I lost this app. Or I can pull this better to ask for forgiveness.
You got it.
That one's easy for me.
Yeah.
That's good.
Welcome to the Shaka Guides Road to Hana driving tour. I'm telling you right now, hey, it's going to be a great day as we drive and tour together on the beautiful Hana Highway.
How do you like the drive so far? We've been driving 40 minutes. How do you like it?
It's fun. Winding road.
Yeah, so what we
A
are
lot of curves.
Yeah, what we are doing is we are heading to the Road Hana, and we are using this app. It's called Shaka Maui. So the app will guide you through the Road Hana. So entire trip is kind of like arranged by the app, and you need to purchase in advance for only $20. But you don't need to worry about like signals and everything. And it's actually good, right? Like you can learn all the history behind it, you know, what to expect, what to do, right? So we very recommend using the app. 今日のスナックは Aloha Fresh Macadamia Rosemary Garlic Salt 絶対美味しいよね。ね。So we are halfway, well not even halfway to Hana.
got the. Yeah.
今日はロコモコを頼みました。So I ordered ロコモコ and you also ordered burger today as well.
ハナバーガー。
ハナバーガー。いただきます。
How is it?
I like it. グレービーがアイランドグレービーって感じ。
I don't understand.
本当のグレービーソースって感じ。なんかさ、多分日本の方はさ、ロコモコというとデミグラスソースのイメージがあると思うんだけど、デミグラスソースってアメリカにないからグレービーソースなんだよね。本場のロコモコは。それのなんかもうローカルスタイルグレービーソースって感じ。If that makes sense.
Okay.
We are in a crowd? We are in a cloud, no?
Yeah. I think so.
綺麗だったね。Do you like this experience? Did you like it?
I did. It's like
Unreal.
above the clouds.
I know, it's unreal, right?